We love the balance that the bicycle brings to the world and its power to make people, communities, and the planet healthier. Come ride with us.
Hi, this is Jeremy from Planet Bike, and today we're going to take a look at our standard rear taillight bracket. This bracket is compatible with all Planet Bike taillights minus the Super Flash 65 and fits most diameter round seat posts. If you have an aero seat post, please check out our stretch strap mount. To begin, you'll want to remove the screw on the side of the bracket with a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, take one of the three, or a combination of the three rubber straps provided with the mount, and this will reduce the size of the bracket depending on the diameter of your seat post. You'll want to loop the strap around the front of the seat post so the open end is facing backwards. Then you can mount the bracket around the seat post facing towards the rear of the seat. You'll know this is done correctly when you see the serrated end of the bracket facing the drive side or the right side of the bike as you're standing over the bike. Then take your bracket, which also has a serrated end, and place it on that side of the bracket. Then take the screw, again, going through the drive side or right side as you're standing over the bike, insert it, and tighten. As you get close to the end, you can adjust the angle of the bracket based on the angle of your seat post. Then continue to tighten. Once tight, you're ready to mount your rear tail light. You can insert the light to the top of the bracket and press down. Once you hear the click, you know the tail light is fully installed. To remove the light, press the tab at the bottom of the bracket and lift up on the light. That way, you can take your light into your local business. That's all for the installation of the rear taillight bracket. We hope you enjoy this video, and we hope you come ride with us.